Today, let's talk about plants and their parts. A plant, like a human, is a system. It has many different parts and each part performs a different function. Here are the parts of a plant. We have leaves, stem, roots, flower, and fruit. Firstly, for leaves. A leaf consists of a leaf stalk, a leaf blade, and veins. Leaves also contain chlorophyll that helps the plant to trap sunlight and make food. Chlorophyll is a green pigment which makes the leaves green. The leaves trap sunlight and make food for the plant. It is also to perform gaseous exchange. Plants breathe through tiny openings on the openings. Not to worry, these tiny openings are known as the stomata. This will be covered more in depth in P5 or P6. So what will happen when there are no leaves? Plants will have no food to survive and most likely die. The process of taking in and giving out gases in plants cannot occur sufficiently. The plant may die. Next, the stem. Some plants have strong upright stem, but some have weak stems. In order for plants with weak stems to get more sunlight to make food, some will climb up or coil around a supporting structure to be taller. Some plants will also creep and spread themselves on the ground, increasing surface area of its leaves exposed to sunlight. There are three functions of the stem. Firstly, it contains water-carry tubes that transport water and mineral salts to all parts of the plant. It also contains food-carrying tubes that transport food to all parts of the plant. For some plants, the stem holds the plant upright so that the leaves will be higher to receive more sunlight to make food. What happens without the stem? Some parts of the plant will not be able to receive water, mineral salts, and water. These parts will most likely die. The plant will not be able to stand upright to receive more sunlight to make food. For most plants, the roots are found underground, in the soil. Trees have roots that are longer, thicker, and grow deeper into the soil. Plants with shorter and thinner roots are not as tall. Some roots are used for storing food made by the plant. For example, carrots. The roots are to help absorb water and mineral salts for the plant. It is also to anchor the plant firmly to the ground. Without roots, the plant cannot absorb water to survive and will die. The plant will also be unable to anchor itself firmly to the ground and grow taller. For the flower, not all plants have flowers. It depends on whether it is a flowering or non-flowering plant. Flowering plants produce flowers and fruits. The fruits contain seeds that grow into new plants. Non-flowering plants, for example ferns and mosses, do not have flowers and will not have fruits. They have spores that grow into new plants. Flowers are important for reproduction as it is a reproductive structure of the plant. Flowers turn into fruits after pollination and fertilization. It is important for reproduction as it contains the seeds. It also protects the seeds when there are no flowers or fruits. The plant is unlikely able to reproduce unless it is a non-flowering plant that reproduces from spores. That's it for today. Join us for a trial lesson today. Contact us here.